What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to itito. In today's video, we got unusual memes compilation version 185. There's nothing much to it. The name says it all. Let's get right into the video. Okay, we got sushi. Is that shrimp sushi or what kind of sushi is that? Bro, what's going on here? Small pool. Oh, I had one when I was little. I had one when I was little, and they were the worst, my guy. The worst pool. Like, you couldn't do anything. But then again, I bought it for like $5. Man, I don't like cats. Yo, what the heck? Bro, my guy just went through like nothing. What's gonna happen here? Wait, what?
My dog stepped on a bee. Objection. Let's
pay that back. Let's pay that back. Oh my god, that's the best. That's the best one from the court.
My dog stepped on a bee.
That's the best moment from the court. Oh man, I used to pay that a lot when I was little, man. Have you ever guys had like the original stadium, like the red one? And I had like, I forgot the name. I had Pegasus, like the Beyblade, and I had another one was like golden, like a dragon. But I forgot. I had more, but I forgot the names of it. Man, back in like 2011, like 10 years, like 11 years ago, man. Yo, time went fast, man. Wait, what the heck? Man, I don't like cats. Wait, what's going on? What is she eating? Oh. This is Skate 3? Skate 2? What's gonna happen here? Yo, what the heck? What's this? Bro, I gotta hurt.
Seriously, if you just tell me whose this is, I'm not gonna be upset.
It's yours, I'm telling you. There's
it's
no
not
other
mine. If you just tell me
Yo,
whose this is,
what
I'm
the
not gonna be
heck?
It's
upset.
yours, I'm telling you. There's
It's
no
not
other
mine.
You mad? You mad?
What's the little kid doing over
So I
there?
can talk back to the big dog.
Yo! Not the fan. Bro, what is that rooster doing? Oh my god. Yo! Wait, what do you call that? Like sand dunes? No, not sand. Like I forgot the actual name for it.
Oh fuck.
Bro. Idiots. Idiot, what are you doing? Bro, was that a freaking... Wait, is that a freaking... like door like for the fridge or something? What is that? Bro, even the handle like bended. Cheetos, bro, what the heck?
Let's see if Captain
Only
America
New York.
can hold back the water.
The water.
Shit.
The water. Can Captain America hold the water? Bruh.
I can't work under these conditions.
Bro, what's going on here? What happened? Somebody tell me in the comments below.
This absolute fool has trodden in the
Is
paint.
that a hot dog? What's the name of it? I
Colours, a
forgot.
nice blue colour.
The wiener
She's
dog?
also spilt it all over herself. So
Oh,
now I've
so-
got to wash you off in the hose, you naughty sausage.
Naughty sausage. Bro! Hey, what's this? That looks fun though, but it's like... I know he got like that rug burn. Bro! What is this? My guy has fidget spinners for his... as his wheels. Affleck!
Man's driving a shed on the M25.
Bro, is that an actual house?
A shed?
Is that a shed?
Fuck a Mercedes.
Toothpaste. That's so small. Okay. Bro. Wait, what's going on? What just happened?
Oh God.
Wait, nah, let's go back. What just happened? This just happened. Oh no, is this the one like has that bass in the back? Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, look at it's breaking the freaking windshield. Oh, I couldn't do that. No, I'm not doing that. No, I couldn't do that. On Federal Heights. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lady, what are you doing? Put the cat down.
Chicken burger.
Chicken burger. What is this? What's the meaning of that? Ew, is that coffee? That's not. That's like tea, right? Oh my god.
Uy, está chorreando por ahí.
Está chorreando, but it's open. Oh, we got a raccoon. This reminds me of Over the Hedge. Is that his toy? Oh, he's trained. That's dope. Potato. Laptop. I don't know. I don't know what that.
Dos hermanas, mira lo que se va a cruzar ahora. Premio. Vamos para allá.
Oh my god.
Mamma mia. Ole ahí.
Mamma mia.
Yo, bro, can you pass my keys?
Oh yeah, one sec.
Wow, what's gonna happen here? Bro, what? Yo, what is the cat doing? We got a grilled cheese. Ooh, that's fire. Okay, what is this? Why am I watching this? Is this a game? Let me know that in the comments below what's the name of the game. Bro, what's going on? Pick up. Freaking. What's the name of the thing? Toki? I forgot the name of that. But, bro, what is this? Oh, he made it. Okay. Wait, so this game's supposed to be like fun? I mean, I kind of get it. Bro, boy has 2 trailers in the back. What the heck? But I don't like cats. I'm sorry. I don't like cats. Wind force. Bro! I see you're done. What is this animal? Is that a rat? What kind of thing is that? Bro, bro, come on. Oh, this is a classic. I've seen this video before. Okay, what is this animal? Wait, that's it? Okay, guys, Unusual Memes Compilation, Volume 185. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to react to more unusual memes. I really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video for more reactions. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more reactions as well. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.